Well, I just found out this morning while I was having breakfast. There was a lady next to us that said that she was reading the news and asked us if we found out that WoW has sort of bankrupt or something like that. I was like, no, because we were expecting to get that message from them, to receive an email or something informing us about that.
I just feel like it's a lack of communication. You don't go into bankruptcy overnight. This is a process. It was not communicated that it's a possibility that they might be going into bankruptcy.